and composite numbers.
What is a prime number?
A prime number is a natural number that can only be divided by 1 and itself.
3 is an example of a prime number.
What can be divided into 3?
3 is a prime number because it can only be divided by itself and by 1.
11 is an example of a prime number.
11 can only be divided by itself and by 1 as well.
What is a composite number?
A composite number can be divided evenly by numbers other than 1 or itself.
12 would be an example of a composite number.
12 is a composite number because it can be divided by 6, 2, and 3 as well.
36 is another example of a composite number.
36 can be divided by 9, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Now, let's play a game. Prime or composite?
To help us solve whether the number is prime or composite, we can use
Polly's 4 steps to problem solving.
Number 1, understand the problem.
Number 2, devise a plan.
Number 3, carry out the plan.
And number 4, look back.
Let's try number 30.
To understand the problem, we first make sure we know what it means to be composite and what it means to be prime.
To devise a plan, we will think about what the factors of the given number are.
To carry out the plan, we will use a factor tree to illustrate these factors.
Dependent on the factors, we will know whether the number 30 is prime or composite.
The number 30 is composite.
Let's try 73.
To understand our problem, we make sure we know what composite and prime means.
To devise the plan, we will figure out the factors of 73.
And to carry out our plan, we will use a factor tree.
Based on the factors, we know that 73 is a prime number. Let's try 100.
To understand our problem, we make sure we know what it means to be composite and what it means to be prime.
To devise the plan, we will think about what the factors of 100 are.
And to carry out our plan, we will use a factor tree.
Dependent on the factors, we know that 100 is a composite number.
Now we know what composite numbers and prime numbers are. By Taylor Jurik and Korajian.
The end.